Hi, y'all seen me make potato stuff before. We're gonna do a little different today. We're gonna use these mission tortillas and we're gonna make potato stuffed burritos. Potato stuff is good, but now we can take it on the road. We're gonna roll them up and eat them up. All right, y'all, we figured to cut up some of these taters. Love this thing here. My mama gave it to me. And how this recipe come together was my grandkids was over here and they wanted this. One of them wanted sausage, one of them wanted potatoes. And so I just combined it all. And it come out good. So we've been making it ever since. You gotta make what them grandkids want, you know. Y'all don't know what it is about these old tools, but I just love them. This is something my mama gave me 25 or 30 years ago. And I remember seeing it when I was a kid, didn't pay much attention to it, but she used to do stuff and let us turn the handle. And back then, if you could turn the handle, we didn't have video games, so this was pretty cool back in the day. But I still love using it every time I get a chance. Hey, I'm gonna show y'all a little trick my grandma showed me. See how these potatoes are sticking together like this? Okay, I'm gonna show you a trick that they won't do that way. Now, if you dump these straight on the griddle, it's gonna be good, but it's gonna be all clumped up together. Get you some water. Just dump water in here. What it does is get a lot of the starch off of them and it just won't stick. Soak them about 10 minutes and they're ready to go. Time to put the bacon on and the sausage. Here we go. Let's start right here. Ooh, love to hear that sound in the morning. I always use this thick bacon right here because that's where I was raised, with thick bacon. Plus, it cuts up better and does a better job with this stuff. Potato stuff, actually. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and throw this sausage over here. Look at there. This is andouille sausage here. Just a smoked sausage we use a lot in Louisiana. The reason I'm using this sausage is andouille because that's what I had right here in the refrigerator. Yeah, that's one of the things I was raised up doing is whatever's in the refrigerator or the house, that's what you eat. We didn't have a store we could go to back then. We lived in the country, way in the country. And we just used what we had. That's why we come up with a lot of these recipes we got, because that's what we had in the refrigerator. All right, y'all, this is looking pretty good over here. Sausage is cooked already, but we kind of browning it. That's all we're doing. And old bacon, I'm not gonna cook it real crispy, y'all, because we're still gonna be cooking this a little while. Look at these taters. They've been soaking 10, 12 minutes. We gotta dump the water off of them. Hi, y'all, this is the benefits of cooking outside. You could dump it on the ground, you could drop it here. When I'm through in the evening, I pressure wash it. We're good. The wife won't let me break out the pressure washer in the house. So I cook out here. Hi, y'all, we're gonna pick this bacon up. Get a little stack thing going here. Now, notice it's not crispy. We don't want it crispy. I'm gonna set it on this platter and let it cool down a little bit. I got just a good bacon fat here. We got our taters ready. We're gonna start throwing them down. And notice they're not sticking together. See that? And that's what we want. This makes it better. I like them clumped up sometime, but most of the time I like them like this. We'll drop a little seasoning in here. I just got some good old Cajun seasoning, but y'all can use whatever you want. There's more than one seasoning, you know. Now I'm gonna mix these up a little bit. And y'all notice I'm fixing to go pro. I'm gonna use 2 spatulas at the same time. Ain't everybody could do that. We ain't through yet now. Don't forget the good stuff. Holy Trinity, you gotta have it. All right, y'all, this is all looking really good. We're just gonna let it cook down a little bit. And hey, we're gonna hurry up and wait. All right, y'all, our andouille is done. We're gonna take it out of here. And now, we're gonna put a little more seasoning on everything. Then we're gonna flip it around, then we're gonna go back and cut up the bacon. I love bacon, y'all. I like to cut little, I'd say 1/4-inch strips. So you get a little bacon, a little sausage, potatoes, everything in one little bite. All right, y'all, we got this bacon cut up. By the time we start mixing all this stuff together, see y'all, come over here, watch this. We'll drop the bacon in there. Then we got the andouille right here. Drop it on there. Y'all, this just makes a good meal to start with. But what we're gonna do with it is totally different. Okay, come on, onion, celery, everything we need right there. Look at that. Y'all, we're gonna mix it up real good. Get everything blended real good. The potatoes, the onions, the sausage, the bacon. Okay, once we get it all kind of mixed up together, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna add cheese. More cheese, please. I'm just using what I had in the fridge, so I'm telling you, use what you want. Whatever you like, whatever kind of cheese, it's good with all kinds of cheeses. You can't never have enough cheese. Let it start getting warm, let it melt a little bit, then we're gonna mix it again. All right, it's all the cheese. Let's do this. All right, we're gonna mix it, turn it upside down like this first. Let it sit just a second, because it's on the bottom now. It's really hot. Now it's melted. Look at there. Okay. Gotta make it ooey gooey. What we're gonna do is put this in a bowl, then we're gonna start making our burritos. All right, y'all. Now we got it all in the bowl, we're gonna get us some mission tortillas, and they are good. Then we're gonna start our meal. Main thing you got to do is don't overfill them like I do most of the time. They're good like that, but they're messy. We're going to fold these things up, roll them up, and we'll put them back on the Blackstone, seam side down. And that's what kind of glues it together. And then we're going to turn it every once in a while, get it nice and tan. We got them stacked high. Now the best part of the thing is I'm about to eat them. A lot of our cooking starts with leftovers. I mean, that's all the way it was, you know. During the week while Grandma was cooking, she'd throw a little bit of this, a little bit of that in the refrigerator, and at the end of the week, she'd cook it up and make a gumbo out of it. You know, we'd find some kind of meat to put in it, and hey, whatever's in the refrigerator, that's what we're going to eat that night. We don't like throwing stuff away around here. So that's how I come up with this potato stuff. The kids loved it, and we've been doing that for years, cooking that. Potato stuff is good on its own, but when you use the Mission brand tortillas, oh, it just changes everything. They roll up real good, they're nice and tight, the cheese melts everything together, and you don't even have to use a fork. I know y'all have ate my potato stuff before, so get you some of these Mission tortillas, roll them up like this. It just changes the game.
Tonight you're cooking with the alligator.